Hi everyone, welcome back to SS class. Today we are going to start new blog. Blog number 7, occupations. Blog number 7, occupations. What do you understand by this word occupation? Yes, there are many jobs people do. Different people do different jobs to earn their living. That they are occupations. In this blog, we will learn some of the important occupations that people do. So let us start first lesson from this blog, growing crops. Lesson number 1, growing crop. Aim of this lesson to assess the importance of crop cultivation, keywords, occupation, pulses, crops. There are many different ways people earn their living. Today we will find out how the people earn their living by growing crops. Okay, let us read a story from your content book, page number 37. A farmer's life. All of you listen carefully. Raghu is a farmer. He grows crops in his field. He grows some fruits and vegetables as well. He plows the land, sows seeds, waters the field and reaps the harvest. He mostly uses bullock to plow the land. At times, he borrows a tractor from his friend for plowing. He works every day, even if it is too hot, too cold or rainy. He waters the field using rainwater or gets water from wells, canals and tube wells. Too much water or too little water can harm his crops. He does not have enough money, hence he has to borrow money to buy seeds, sell his crops in the market and earn money. We buy these crops for food. Here we have read about a story, that means the farmer's life. So let me ask some question. What does Raghu do? Yes, Raghu is a farmer. What does he grow? Yes, he grows pulses, vegetables, fruits, etc. Does he face any problem? Yes, he does not have enough money to buy crop, so he has to borrow money from his friend. He does not have enough money to buy a tractor, so he works very hard. Let us discuss what do a farmers do and how we depend on farmers. Okay, let us check. A farmer grows crops like pulses, grains, fruits and vegetables. He uses bullock to plow the land and he has to depend on rain to have a good harvest. The farmers sell their crops in the market and earn their living. Farmers grow different types of crops like fruits, vegetables, pulses, and they sold it in the market. And they earn money by selling what they grow. Do we depend on farmers? Yes, we depend on farmers for what? Yes, we depend on farmers for our food. Farmers sell their grow in the field, what they sold in the market, we can buy it. We depend on farmers for our food. Okay children, let me ask one more question. What will happen if a farmer cannot have a good harvest? What will happen? If a farmer cannot have a good harvest, he won't be able to earn money. A farmer unable to have a good harvest, he won't be able to earn money. He can't sell it in the market and he is unable to earn money. So, if a farmer is not growing crops, how will it affect us? We will not get food. We depend on farmers for our food. If a farmer is not growing crops, what happens? We will not get food. Or is it not possible to grow crops? Yes. In the places that do not have open field, for example in cities, we are unable to grow crops because there is no open space. Most of the farmers are living in the villages because they have large open space. In the village, there is a large open space. So most of the farmers are living in the villages. They can cultivate different types of crops in the field. So I hope you understood growing crops. Okay. What did you learn in this lesson? Farmers growing different types of crops to earn their living. This is one of the important occupation in India. Okay, farming is an important occupation in India. There are different people growing different types of crops in their field and they sell it in the market and they can earn money. And what is the problem they face? Not have enough money to buy crops and tractors. So they have to work hard in the field. We depend on farmers for our food. If a farmer did not grow the crop, what happened? We will not get food. Or a farmer cannot have a good harvest, what happened? If a farmer cannot have good harvest, he won't be able to earn living. It's an important way to earn living. Growing crop is an important way to earn living. In the villages, there is large open space. So most of the farmers are living in the villages. They can cultivate different types of crops there. But in the cities, there is no open space, open field. So unable to, in that places in cities, we are unable to cultivate crops. Okay, I hope you understood this lesson. Let us discuss S1. Growing crops. First one, read the passage, underline the things that we get from a farmer. After waking up in the morning, Sana read the newspaper. Then she had breakfast. She drank a glass of milk and ate 2 slices of bread with a banana. She wore a cotton dress and went out. For lunch, she ate 3 rotis, dal, rice and vegetable. Which are the things we get from farmer? Yes, very good. Milk, bread, banana, cotton dress, roti, dal, rice and vegetable. You have to underline these words. Then second question. Give 3 reasons why growing crop is an important occupation. Growing crop is an important occupation because we depend on farmers to get food. Write about one problem that a farmer faces. What is the problem? Farmer does not have enough money to buy crops and machines. So all of you read page number 38 from your content book and finish your S1. Thank you. Have a nice day.